we're gonna make a little tray today. I pulled out this like old cutting board that I had in my attic, and I found these little like half round wood beads. They're really teeny weeny, and I just got done gluing them all around the edge. Anyway, we're gonna get started. My idea is to paint this all white. We're gonna lay this fabulous essential stencil transfer down, and then we're going to crackle it with some Pentart crackle. We're gonna paint, and I do have bigger half round beads that we're going to put on the back here, make it like a little tray, and I paint this first with some white paint. We have this, see how cute that is? And I just glued those things so they look like they were already on there. I'm actually gonna take that original paint and I'm gonna go over where we did the, and then I'm gonna dry it again. So we got this all done. Now we're gonna add our transfer. This should be fairly simple. Make sure you are hovering, because if you don't, and it sticks, it's done. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm dropping down? I mean, you kind of eyeball it. And I guess we're just gonna go with that. Looks good. Right in the center, press it down, and this is great because this is nice and flat, so I shouldn't have any issues. And then you can tell where it's sticking, and you just got to keep going over it until it lifts. Look at how cute. So I'm going to do the crackle. Now I'm going to seal it. I'm actually going to use triple thick dirt clear. I just made this yesterday. I'm going to seal the whole thing though first. So now that's all nice and dry. We've got a nice little shine on there, but it doesn't matter because now we're going to use the fine line crackle. Now I'm only going to be putting the crackle. I'm not going to go through the beads. I'm probably just going to go right up to it. Nice clean brush, and you're going to basically just brush all up. You're going to use this component one. It comes in a two-part component. So this is the Pentart fine line crackle component one. It kind of looks like Mod Podge, and I'm just going to brush it on. I'm not going to go, like I said, in between those beads. I'm just gonna kind of go right up to the beads. So now you're just gonna sit here and we're gonna dry this. Alright, I think we can put this second coat on. Okay. Now we're putting on component 2. It's kind of like a thinner, it's thinner and not as thick, and just same thing. Oh, look. Is that once we seal it, well, if you don't seal it, it'll just keep crackling. I mean, look at this. Okay, now, I don't know if you guys can see the crackle, but now I'm going to show you. So I can get it in the light just right. I don't know if you can see the crackle because it's light. Kind of. Can you see it? See a little bit up there in that glare right there? You can see all that crackle. Pulled out the Pentart Antique Paste because I love this color. And it's the umber color. This should be umber. Just dip in here. This is antique paste from Pentart. You're gonna want to use a paper towel, lots of them. Well, you're not gonna see it now, but just wait. So when you go over it with this Pentart antique paste, and I'm gonna see what it looks like if I do everything. Yep, we're gonna give this whole tray, even my little knobbies, and you wait and see. Do you see all that crackly goodness now? See, now we did that half. Isn't it cool? Okay guys, look at how pretty that looks. Can you see it up close? So this is glossy varnish, and you want to make sure it's solvent based. It says solvent based down here at the bottom. You have to have this. I'm not gonna worry about getting around the sides. I'll do triple thick Duraclear for that. But on this middle part, wherever we have crackle, you all trust me when I say you have to have this on or it will go cloudy. So let's see. I want to add rhinestones, and the rhinestones here are in the Ultimate Rhinestone Applicator Kit from Totally Dazzled. You get your glue, and I already have some glue in one of my little topper bottles over there. But you get these rhinestones, and these are what I'm going to use, and this is their box of colored ones that come in the Ultimate Rhinestone Applicator Kit. I think for like these little flowers that have these little dots in there, I think I'm going to do green. I think I'm going to do olive green. It's a really pretty green. Yes. And so this is what I do. I just find where stuff is going to look. So all I'm going to do is dot like these little centers. I'll show you in a second. Look at how stinking cute. Can you guys see all the sparkle in there? So you just add, I just followed the pattern. You just follow the print. Let the print tell you where to put the rhinestones, and it's super simple. Now I have the Totally Dazzled. I have some of their, let's see, and I love this. This is the mystery packs, or the fall packs, and they, but these are from last year. So you've got like little pumpkins, these little leaves. Oh, let's see. I want to add this big pumpkin. But you could put candles on here. It's so pretty. Look at that. But I love this one. I'm fond of this one. But I was thinking about like even here. So you cover up a little bit of the flowers, or we could put it over here. You can do like this little cornucopia. This is from last year. You guys head over to totallydazzled.com. They've got, oh, now see, you can even like incorporate some from last year. So this would just be cute. And even though it's three, oh, see, I like that there. I like this one here. I'm going to use the rose gold and the gold together. Isn't that so beautiful? And I'm going to put it up here at the top of the pumpkin. Like, we're going to make it like a little... So see, you're just adding. I'll probably wait till my rhinestones are dry, but I got these little wooden feet, and I'm just going to raise it up some and put it right down here on the bottom, so it'll just be like, it's getting feet. It's getting both. But here is the... Look at how I did the leaves up there at the top of that big pumpkin, and then there's the cornucopia. Isn't that so adorable?